Hello 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Mariane's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow. Today we are making a udon with shrimp recipe. This udon recipe is very tasty and easy to make. Not only is it simple, it also has a few ingredients. All of the ingredients are in the description box. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's start by peeling the shrimp. Then open up the bag and remove the wings. After that, rinse off the shrimp with cold water. Now marinate the shrimp with white pepper, salt, cornstarch, and vegetable oil. Mix everything together and set on the side. I have soaked this wood air for at least 1 hour. We need to rinse it off before cooking. Now let's mix the garlic. Then let's peel the carrot and slice it. Next, cut the Napa into chunks. Now cut the green onion into longer pieces. Let's bring some water to a boil and cook the udon for half a minute. Then take it out and set it aside. In a clean wok, add some oil and cook the shrimp. Cook the shrimp for 70% and take it off. Add some more oil and toss in the garlic and add in the wood air. Then add in the carrot and Napa. Cook everything for a minute and add the noodles back in. After another minute, mix in oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and shrimp. Finish it off with the green onion, mix it in, and it's done! Wow, looks good! Time for taste test! I can't wait to eat it. I love udon. Taste is so amazing. I love udon. That's so delicious. It is savory and very fragrant from the garlic and onion. The udon is soft and a little bit chewy. It's very delicious. I really love it. If you guys have any questions and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见